Hello Kartapult users! In this guide, we will learn how to implement the decrease budget strategy for Amazon Ads. Click on Decrease Budget under Amazon Ads Automation Strategy. Then choose the strategy type between short-term and long-term. The difference between these are short-term strategy operates on hourly frequency, while long-term strategy operates on day-level frequency. Long-term strategy doesn't allow budget resets and offers more options for defining time duration while defining conditions for strategy making. Then enter a name for your strategy. Then to create budget scale-down strategy, choose your campaign product type objective. Let's say we are selecting sponsored products. You can also filter the campaigns by name using this button. For simplicity, we are not using it for now. And then we click on Find Assets. Here, you can view all the assets. Then select the asset for which you want to decrease the budget. From this button, you can add newly created assets. Then we have to enter actions. Here we can choose to decrease the budget either by percentage or by rupees. Let's say we are selecting percentage. Enter the value here by which we want the budget to decrease. Select the time period in which the action for decreasing the budget will be taken. In Until section, put a limit value to the budget for the selected assets. So until the budget decrease reaches this value, up to only that moment, this condition gets triggered and budget will get decreased. Also, if you want to check your total account budget, you can check from here. You can also put a surf limit for your account budget not to exceed the assigned value from this strategy. Then to define condition for this strategy to work, you can choose between all these key metrics. Let's say we are selecting clicks of last 3 days and enter a value. You can also change this between less than, equal to, or equal to. You can also combine this condition with another condition from here. And you can also choose and or from here between these two conditions. If we select or the strategy is triggered, if either of the condition is met along with the fixed condition. With an and condition, all condition must be fulfilled for the strategy to activate. For simplicity, we are selecting only one condition at this moment. Now for fixed condition, we need to decide on the minimum amount spent for the condition to trigger. Then it is necessary to assign the hours since creation attribute. If an asset duration is greater than 48 hours, it will be excluded from the strategy. Now let's move on to the triggers. You can schedule this strategy to run continuously, or if you want to select specific date, you have to enter start date or end date. Right now, we are selecting Run Continuously. Also, the activation setting needs to be chosen. If we want to activate this strategy to run continuously, select it. But if you want to activate this strategy on specific days and hours, those can be selected from here. And then you can exclude any day or hour from here. But for now, we are selecting Run Continuously here. You can also reset the budget by midnight or at schedule time from here. Then when you click on Publish, your strategy will get triggered, and it will decrease the budget according to the given conditions. Thanks for watching.